Yo, good morning guys. Today we got a special video for you guys. Luke, Vu, Tony and I are gonna be going to a supercar cruise. I don't know if we'd consider my GTR to be a supercar, but hey, we got invited to the cruise, so we're gonna be taking you guys along with us today. Would you consider the R32 to be a supercar?
It was when it came out.
It was when it came out, right?
So yes, because it was at one point, like.
You're right, it was destroying everything back in the day. Actually, you know what? Luke is right. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. There's there's gonna be RX-7s there, Supers there, probably Lambos and whatnot. I honestly don't know how today's gonna go, but hey, it's gonna be a fun time. What are you doing? Oh, you're good, dude. Sorry I've been lagging it on the vlogs this week, guys. It was sort of my birthday week, so took some time off. We did turn up a lot. Damn, early in the morning and Tony's already at work. Ooh, hey, hold on. We're matching, bro.
How?
Well, sort of. We're wearing the same windbreaker.
Windbreaker.
Damn, Tony.
Damn, Randy.
Oh, thanks, Tony. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Love it.
Yeah, hey guys, head to the website and cop some before they're gone, because we probably still have a few left, right?
Yeah.
I love to rock this with a button up, just because it makes everything look nice, or even over a hoodie. Let's go warm up the GTR and get today started.
All right, let's go.
Haven't actually driven this thing for a couple days. I'm ready. If you guys watched the last video, you guys would know that I got new LEDs for my taillights. Let's see if it does anything. Ooh. Too bad the Bluetooth doesn't work yet. We're still waiting on the email. So stay tuned for that video. Yo, look, check this out, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but now with all the LEDs behind the taillights, it makes the taillights look a lot cooler. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but it's something that I definitely have noticed. Let's head to the location and meet up with everybody else. Yo, we just made it here. There's already a whole shitload of cars. Check it out. Dude, look at all these RX-7s. Holy fucking crap. Should I get one of these one day? Let me know down in the comments below. Crazy ass color. Kevin Jude, where you at? Damn, this thing's clean. You already know we gotta have all the R32s together. Damn. It's super early in the morning and we already met some subscribers. Hey. Bro, what the fuck? Sick. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite car. Damn, Naveed.
Yeah, hard. Yeah, it looks pretty fucking nuts.
Your knees cold, bro? Car's looking good, bro.
Thanks, man. Sorry, I have coffee in my mouth.
No worries. Dude, look how fat this is. This one's like fatter than mine. What the fuck? Look at the taillights on this one. Vu, which one's your favorite RX-7?
Probably this gray one.
This gray one right here? Let's go check it out. Damn, Nardo Gray. I fucking love this color. Okay, we got all the Supras right here. Bro, these are massive. Where are all my Supra fans at? No way, dude.
I didn't take my kids either.
Yo, this is so fucking clean. Can you guys see me in one of these? I definitely can. If anybody's selling one, let me know. Fucking god damn it, these guys know what's up. GTRs on GTRs. Dude, this is my first time seeing it in person and I get to see 3 of them. Kevin Jude, if you're watching this, bust out the lotion. Oh yeah, Kevin. You're getting hard right now, huh, Kevin? Oh, Kevin busted probably around this time. Dude, look at this wrap. If anybody here is looking for a new son and is ready to adopt, you know, let me know. I would love a GTR or RX-7 or something nice.
Yeah.
I want another one.
Don't you need one of those banners?
I think so.
Slow projects. Cause that shit has not moved in years. Look who it is. Hey, get your piece of shit IS out of here. Just kidding. What's up, Vince?
Yeah, it's an F. It's a.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
let me find parking.
Okay. Guys, I've probably busted like 2 to 3 times already just walking around. All these cars are so nice. Let me know how many of you guys busted down in the comments below. Luke, what's your favorite car here?
One of the yellow RX-7s.
So I read the invite wrong. I thought it was supercar meet. It's actually Japanese supercar meet. There we go. Now it makes so much sense why I don't see a Lambo or anything around. Oh, we saw Ferrari, I guess, but I was expecting Lambos and Ferraris and shit everywhere. But it's a Japanese supercar meet, which is pretty cool because I actually like that better. Hey guys, who's a prisoner of love? Guys, this is Josh's car. That's him over there hiding. I don't think you guys know this, but this whole car is clear broad. All the way through. And carbon fiber everything, right? Matte carbon, yeah. Matte carbon everything. Probably wondering why it's blue. Because there's this crazy ass one right here.
Yeah, stock's about 500. I'm probably at about 650 wheel, 650.
Oh, I almost threw up. Dude, that is a lot of power, dude. Guys, we're about to leave. And look who shows up.
Shout out to Randy for posting this.
Yeah. Hey!
We out here.
We out here. All right, let's go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those rollers. Dude, mobbing it around with all these cars is insane. Every single car is so fast. What's up, kid?
You see that red car right there? It's so classic. The steering wheel's on this side.
Oh, really? Nice. You like these cars?
Yeah.
Yep, the cars are pulling up. We got all the cars, all the NSXs lined up right here. All the GTRs over there. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Good to see you again, man. What's up, guys? Damn. Tony, what's your favorite car here?
I don't know. So many to choose. Actually, that black right there. You see the black NSX?
The black NSX? Let's go show you guys the NSX. Fucking clean. All right, guys. This is Tony's favorite car here. What do you guys think? Look at this. NSX with a little bit of stretch. I dig it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. Hey, Vu, how was the ride here, dude?
Super stiff. I was sleeping in the back and this guy hits a bum.
Did he hit his head?
I know my head hurts.
I don't think I've ever seen so many R35s before. Oh, look, even more. All over. What's up, Kevin? What's up, Kevin? What's up, high five, Kevin? Exclusive FB6. Cool, all the Skyline guys are getting together right now. We're gonna go take our cars to the side and do a group shoot. Damn. Dude, I'm digging this spot a lot more. Looks a lot better. Naveed really makes me love the silver. Holy crap. Look at these motherfuckers. Here you go, Tony. Take this. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, this is kind of sketch. Oh my god. Oh shit, bro. Luke, no! You white people are crazy. Oh, it's wobbling. Oh, it's a crazy white guy. Wilo, you're so crazy.
It's fucking wobbly.
What a complete mad lad. Yeah. Let's get the fuck back. Oh, dude. I'm trying. Bro, look. Alright guys, so earlier I wasn't able to film that much over there because the battery died. Look at this. You can probably see a little bit of it right here, but there it's like even worse over there. I just realized this right now, but the other side of the bridge collapsed too. Sad. Guys, we gotta take some time to appreciate this. Right-hand drive. If anybody's selling one, let me know. This is my dad's dream car. Maybe one day I'll be able to get it for him. Our subscribers drive some dope-ass whips. This is his. Fuck yeah. There's a couple of buildings over there. We're gonna see if we can get up there somehow. Somehow. We will, Tony.
We're gonna go climb some buildings.
We're savages. I don't think you guys get that, but we have little kid neighbors. They watch our videos and they're always coming by the house on their scooters, screaming, "We're savages!" And they're like pushing on their scooters. It's pretty funny. And they do it like every single time. We're savages!
I feel like there's gonna be a rattlesnake somewhere.
Yeah, you wanna see a rattlesnake? Dun dun dun. Can we make it up there? Find out in approximately the next minute. Actually, probably sooner because it's right in front of us. And there's people here. Bam. There's no way?
I'm too fat for that shit. I'm out of shape.
Luke's definitely tall enough. I'm going. We made it to the top. Tony, you made it.
I don't know how to get down there. That Vu's not going.
Where's Vu? Pussy! For all we know, there could be like little kids kidnapped and trapped here. Or it's like a porno studio and they're filming crazy ass pornos. Fuck me! Fuck me! Oh, yeah, fuck me!
The shitty part is there's no other way down.
Yeah, there's no other way down. You look epic right now, Tony. Here you go, jump. Damn, Tony, I'm proud of you. Scared of heights, but he went up anyways.
I jumped out of a plane, dude. Come on.
You're right, we did go skydiving. I think I can definitely clear this gap. Like this video right now, I'm gonna jump. Yo, this place is nice, dude. San Francisco right over there. Oh, there's Vu. He can come up because he had the camera. I don't know why it's so funny. Good job, Tony. You face your fears. Today on Eliminate Adventures, Tony conquers his fears. Nothing is impossible. The world may not change because of Tony's successes, but for Tony, his world will change. That's like some Danny Duncan type shit up. Oh yeah, fuck me. Oh, did you guys hear that blow up valve? Oh yeah, fuck me, huh? I need to get one of those. Hey Vince, are you a savage? Parkour that bitch. I'm a savage. I'm a savage. Alright guys, I think that's it for the meet. We're gonna actually go grab some food right now because we're hungry as shit. And I want to go home and edit the last vlog for you guys because I know I've been lagging. So let's go.
We were on and we were over. We were young and now I'm older. But I do. Ow! That's fucking gross! I see that fit in my ear.
Yo, our driver is knocked the fuck out right now. That's not safe. Made it back home. I'm fucking tired. Vu was sleeping in the car, bouncing everywhere. I don't even know how he was able to sleep. Mobbed it back with Vince. Let's go get some fucking sushi. Time for some cha-cha sushi, baby. Hey, Vu, what'd you order? Dog. Oh yeah. Food's ready. Eat up, pussies.
Someone gave the white guy some chopsticks and all hell broke loose.
Asian dude over here is all wet. Why don't know?
You want me to ask for a spoon?
Yeah, you should, dude. Oh god, dude, I almost threw the fuck up. Murder. Look at that. We're so full. Let's go back home. Yo, you guys made it to the end of the video. After Cha-Cha Sushi, I ended up getting food poisoning, so we didn't get to end the video that night. I ended up just sleeping throughout the whole fucking day. But I want to thank you guys so much for spending the whole day with us. And also, I have one last thing to tell you guys before we end this video. So, you guys know who Vu is, right? Well, Vu just uploaded his very first YouTube video. In this video, Vu shows you guys his first mod on the 240SX, and we infiltrated my little brother's high school swim meet. And Vu played a prank, and the prank kind of went wrong. So, if you guys want to go support the homie Vu, his channel is gonna be right here. If you guys don't know Vu, Vu works at Tesla 12 hours a day. And he works really hard, and he still wants to make these videos and just have fun and fuck around with the homies. So it would mean a lot to me if you guys would go and subscribe to his channel. Right, Tony?
Yes.
YouTube is an amazing platform for anyone to do. I want to help out all the homies, and if they can work less hours, that's what I want to do. So, video is actually really funny. Go do me a favor, guys, and go check it out. I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna try my best to hammer out as many vlogs as I can for you guys, okay? So if you guys really appreciate the work that we put into all these videos and all the fun that we're having, drop a fat ass like, hit the subscribe button, because we're almost at 300K subs. So thank you guys once again for always fucking with our videos and always just having fun with us. I definitely mean it when I say I love my job, and I love you guys. Deuces.